Creating a stunning bowl wall can be intimidating. So we put together a few tips that will help you out to make sure that you get the spacing and the style right exactly the way that you want it. Now, the example wall behind me is where we're going to start. Step number 1 is to pick your feature bowl. Picking the feature bowl of your bowl wall will allow you to figure out which one is going to be the focal point, which one is going to be that we build all of the other bowls around. So once you have that, then this is how we hang our bowls. So before you bring the nails out, start with a thumbtack. Now, it can be intimidating and it can bring up all the commitment issues you have whenever you start nailing things into your wall. So the easiest way is to actually hold the bowl up against the wall. And from there, you can see the placement of exactly where you want it. Then what you'll do is you'll grab the hook, you'll take your thumbtack, and you'll score slightly exactly where that hook is going to hang. Now the benefit of this is that if you get the spacing just slightly off, you have a tiny thumbtack hole instead of an actual nail hole. So once you get your feature bowl hung with a thumbtack, then you can move on to starting to build out all of the other bowls around that. Step number 2, get an apple. Now, what you'll do with an apple, and if you don't have an apple, you could use an orange, and if you don't have either, you can use your fist. One of the biggest questions we get is how to space the bowls out correctly. So what you'll do is you'll actually place the apple in between the bowls in order to get the spacing exactly the way that you want it. Now step number 3 is finalizing all of the bowls that you have. You've already put your feature bowl up on the wall. So what you want to do now is you want to hold your bowl up against the wall and basically eye where looks best. If you have someone to help you, they can stand behind you and tell you to move up, move left, move right. Basically, they can be your backseat driver for you. Now from there, you're going to begin building your bowl wall. We believe in balance, and remember, understand that these are handmade bowls, so a slight imperfection kind of goes with the whole theme of everything. It's unique and it's your wall, so take pride whenever you're building it. Don't worry about it being perfect. It's going to turn out fantastic. When you're hanging each individual piece and you place the bowl right where you want it, from there, you're going to begin to see the wall come to life. If it's a little bit too high or a little bit too low, you can easily take your thumbtack and move it up slightly higher or slightly lower to get the perfect spacing in between your bowls. You'll continue this process until you hang all of your bowls on the wall. Step number 4, the final step, is use nails if you want to. Remember that from the side, you can actually see what's holding these bowls up on the wall. And from a distance, you actually won't see the clear thumbtacks. And so if you prefer that, then you're done. Good job. However, if you want something that's maybe a little bit sturdier, if you have kids or noisy neighbors upstairs that might knock your bowl off the wall, we suggest that you go ahead and get a nail. Depending on the finishing of your home, whether you have gold accents or silver accents, we suggest matching that up. If you have gold, use gold nails. If you have silver, use silver nails. Once done, take a step back, look at your mastery, and be in awe of the beautiful bowl wall that you've just created. And we'd love to see what you created. So after you're done, take a step back, tag us, and we'd love to feature you on our blog and on our Instagram stories to share more about what it is that you've created in your home.